Hey guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the Holiday Trend Guide. So in case you're new here, hi, subscribe to join my YouTube fam. And basically what we do in the Holiday Trend Guide is give outfit ideas for every type of holiday party. We've done a ton of holiday parties, we've done holiday decor. So today we're doing, I think you can tell by my dress, New Year's Eve parties. In today's holiday trend guide, I'm gonna give you 5 New Year's outfit ideas that sparkle. I love sparkle for New Year. It makes you happy, it brings in good vibes for 2019. How crazy, 2019 already. So let's go over 5 different outfits that you can wear. For my first outfit, I wanted to show how to wear sequins in a new way for the new year, and that is with color. So there's gonna be a ton of people at your New Year's parties in silver and gold sequins, and there's nothing wrong with that, but have a little fun with color. Why not? You'll stand out from the crowd. I went with bright blue, you could do green, you could do red, you can do pink. There are so many colorful sequin dresses available right now. I really liked this one because even though it's a midi length, it has stripes, so it makes it really elongating. I'm only 5'3", so I feel like any little bit helps, and the stripes make me feel taller, and of course a pump helps too. Since it's New Year's, I like to be a little bit extra, so I did a pump with a crystal ball on top. It makes me think of the crystal ball dropping at New Year's. If you hate color, that is okay. We can still be friends. You can still be part of my Sydney style family and just do a little black dress, but do something a little bit different. So if you'll notice, this black dress, it has sequins, but underneath it has velvet, which makes it really luxurious, really fancy. I could see this even for a black tie affair. You don't always have to go long when it's black tie, especially when it's something super luxury like this. It's a little bit of a longer hemline because I'm showing some skin, okay, a lot of skin up top, and my rule is always cover up one area. So if you're showing a lot on top, go longer on bottom. If you're going short on bottom, cover it up on top. This dress has an opposite neckline hemline, so it's covered up on top and super short on bottom. If you're not into sequins, a metallic like gold or silver with a little bit of shimmer is a great way to sparkle for New Year's. What I thought was cool about this dress is the little flap on bottom is so fun for movement. So when you're dancing and partying, it adds a lot of movement to your look. And I just paired it with booties because I felt like this was more of a city vibe. So if you're going to a club, and the great thing is the chunky heel keeps you more comfortable, but since it's lucite, it's clear, it's very dressy. Let's move on from dresses to pants. So first I want to talk about a jumpsuit because I'm obsessed with jumpsuits all holiday season, actually all year, because they're so comfortable, especially depending on the material. This one is stretchy, so the waistband is elastic in case I have too much champagne on New Year's or eat too much or whatever you're doing on New Year's, and it has glitter, so it's really, really sparkly. I can picture doing a Kira Kira app, you know, that one that makes you sparkle and it's all sparkly everywhere. Okay, I've said sparkly so many times, but back to the jumpsuit. It also has pockets, which is amazing. I'm always a fan of pockets. And what's cool about a wider leg is you can wear any shoes on bottom. I did a pump, but if you're tall enough or if you have time to hem your jumpsuit, you could really do a flat even and dance the night away. For my last look, I wanted to show you a way to wear sequin pants. Since these are white sequin pants, they're more of a subtle shine, so you have to go really up close to see the sparkle, which is more understated way to wear sequins, but the outfit is anything but understated because it's New Year's, and again, I'm all about being extra on New Year's, so I added this fun feather coat. It makes me think about Black Swan. I feel like I'm doing ballet, except probably in ballet you wouldn't wear pants. I don't know, but anyway, it's just a fun winter white look, and then I did some gold metallic pumps on bottom. If the feathers are too extra for you, again, we can totally still be friends. I get it. Just pair it with a sweater or a white turtleneck. And the monochromatic look, wearing one color from head to toe, is also a very slimming. So this is a fun way if you don't want to wear a dress to ring in the new year. So I hope that inspired you with some sparkly ways to ring in the new year. And I would love to see what you are wearing this holiday season. So just upload a photo to Instagram, tag me at Sydney Summer, and tag SS Trend Guide to show me how you're wearing all of the holiday trends we've been covering. Make sure to subscribe because there's new videos coming up. And if you want to see more holiday outfit ideas and just outfit ideas in general, you can always head over to my blog, sydneystyle.com. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and and I will see you next week. Bye. Excuse me. I think I just choked on the Christmas candle. More of showing what is it? It doesn't even make sense. If you were wearing this, I mean, I can't explain it. It's just, I can't explain it. So what am I doing? Then I'm not a style expert if I can't explain myself. I should just wrap myself. Yo, 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 wear this jumpsuit. Yo, it's great. Happy New Year 2019. Word. Okay.